Yo. So one day I was at the gym and there was this kid. We just started going to the gym a month earlier. A month earlier that day. And he was consistent for that month. And I was just benching my usual 55 kilo. Because I still can't do 60 kilos for reps. And this kid is already doing 60 kilo in fat bench for reps. He only started last month. So yeah, that's just the fucking reality. I just accepted it. I was already working out for 2 years. 1 year at the gym and 1 year at just doing home workout. So I don't really count that. So I'm more than 1 year that day. Yeah. Then just the fucking reality just freaking hit me that other people will have a pretty much better starting point than you. Their starting point might be something that you will get after a year or after 2 years. Maybe there are even people who are better at day one than my 2 years progress. So that's just how it is. I was consistent at the gym. I'm still consistent. And my progress is very slow. But it's consistent. Consistently going up. And the way I just cope with this is just be fucking consistent. I fucking said too much in this fucking video. So yeah, it's just be consistent and hope that they will quit someday. So you will fucking surpass them. But of course it's much healthier to compete with only yourself, but you just can't help but get fucking jealous at their starting point, at their fucking genetics, at their progress. The pace of their progress compared to you is just so fucking... Yeah, the world is just unfair. We just have to accept it. Yeah, that's just pretty much it. So just be consistent though. Don't fucking give up. And hope that they will give up someday. Yeah. I have such a fucking... I'm kind of toxic in that part. But it fucking works for me. It helps me keep my consistency. So hey, just follow your own script. This is day 3 of doing unscripted and edited videos. That's why the video sucks. Well, they suck already anyways, even if I edited them. Yeah, that's it. Bye.